Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business, digital skills and how to make money online. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. In this video, you'll be learning 7 top freelancing tips that you can use as a beginner. Number 1, stop waiting to be perfect. Just start with the little you have. Stop waiting for perfection. Stop waiting for the perfect lighting, for the perfect phone, for the perfect camera. You end up not starting. These are things that will make you not start your journey as a freelancer. So if you want to go into freelancing, start with what you have. Stop waiting to be perfect. Stop waiting to pay for premium tools before you start. Let's say you're a freelance graphic designer, for example. You can start with free tools like Canva. Take advantage of those free tools and see how you can go. When you start getting clients, then you can now start paying for premium tools. If you say you want to wait and you want to wait for everything to be okay, everything will never be okay. So you end up not starting. So start with the little you have. Stop waiting to be perfect. So let's go to the second one, which is keep learning. Don't stop learning. Learn different strategies. Update your knowledge. Know the latest tools to use, the latest trends, the latest equipment. Learning never ends, so you should never stop learning as a freelancer. So as a freelancer, you need to learn, continuous learning. The moment you stop learning, you stop growing. So learn, understand the industry that you are into. What is the latest tools or the latest equipment that you can use to improve yourself? So don't stop learning. So let's move to the third one, which is know your strengths and your weaknesses. As a freelancer, know your strength. What are you good at? What is that thing that you can do effortlessly without stressing yourself? Then understand your weaknesses. What are your weaknesses? What are that thing that you find difficult to do? So you improve on your weaknesses and you also improve on your strength. So if you have a weaknesses, now you understand that, okay, this is my weakness as a freelancer. So how do you go about it? How do you work on that weaknesses? So this is something that you need to look into. This is something that you need to understand. Know your strengths, know your weaknesses and improve on them. Make yourself better in that area where you are lacking behind, where you are not good at. You can research. These are things that you need to look out for. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? How can you improve on yourself? So let's move to the fourth one, which is practice using your family and friends. For example, you've learned these skills, you want to start and you don't want to wait for perfection. You've learned, you've improved on yourself, you've known your strengths and you've known your weaknesses. Then what are you going to do? You need to practice. You might not get clients when you start. How do you now get clients? You get clients through your family and friends. These are people that you can practice with. These are people that you can make mistakes with. For example, let's say you're a social media manager, you're a freelance social media manager. You can ask a family or a friend who has a business. You can tell them that you want to manage their Facebook or their Instagram page, whatever platform that they are. You can tell them that please let them allow you to manage this page so that you can practice, you can understand how this platform works. So with your family and friends, it's very easy for you to learn, practice and improve on your skills. Or if you're a social media manager, for example, you can create your own Facebook page, you can create your own Instagram page, practice with it and learn, improve on that skills. This is one tip you can use as a beginner. The fifth here is partnership. Partner with people or friends who are doing the same thing. You can't work alone. When you partner with them and if they are ahead of you, you can also learn from them. Don't just sit in one place and become a one-man army. It doesn't work that way. As a freelancer, you need people. You need to network. And when you start networking and when you start partnering with them, you become better. They will also share their failures with you. They will also share their successes with you. These are experiences that you will get and it will help you to become better in your own field. The sixth on my list is time management. You need to learn how to manage your time as a freelancer. One of the challenges we often face, I also face that challenge myself. You just feel like, oh, you have 24 hours, you have more time, there's time, and you just keep procrastinating. Learn how to manage your time. You can draw out a schedule for the day. This is what I want to achieve for the day. Try as much as you can to achieve those things. Wake up in the morning. The first thing you should do is to sit down and draft out how you want your day to go. Okay, you want to do this by 12 o'clock, you want to do this by 3 o'clock, and make sure you keep to time, because time management is one problem that we often face as a freelancer. Let's go to the seventh one, which is social media. Take advantage of social media. A lot of people on social media showcase your skill, tell people who you are, tell them what you do, and definitely people may reach out to you to give you gigs, to give you work. So you need to show yourself on social media. You can't say you are a freelancer and you are shy, you don't want people to know what you are doing. It doesn't work that way. People need to know you, they need to know who you are, they need to know what you do, so they can also recommend you to their friends, especially when people you worked with. Most times when you tell people that this is what you do, the first thing they ask for your name and they want to go and check you out on social media. So how are you using social media? Are you using social media to your advantage? Social media is one platform that you really want to use as a freelancer. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.